Okay guys, welcome back to iOS Wizard. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this broken screen, black screen that is showing on your laptop if you open an application. If I should just go down and open this application, it's just blocking one part of the screen. So in this video, we're going to treat how to fix this, and yeah, just it. Okay, to fix this black screen, we're going to be checking whether it's a software issue or a hardware issue. And to be able to verify this, we're going to use a television or a second screen or a monitor that you can connect to check whether it's a software issue. And then I'm going to use my television for this course. So what we need here is a HDMI cord, a television or a monitor. Then you plug the HDMI cord to the laptop port and then plug the other end to the television port and mirror these two screens. From this mirror, you can clearly see that it is blocked in the laptop and it is fully clear in the television. So this is not a software issue. Even as I open an application, it is clear in the television and it is blocked in the PC. So let's just quit this application. I'll just hover over there. I hovered over this end and it's left. So it is clear now that it's not a software issue, it is a screen issue. As you press on the screen, you can feel it that it is a screen issue. So you can fix this by pressing on the screen. Whoa, it worked. So pressing on the screen, on different part of the screen, can fix this. Let's open an application. When you open this, you just go towards the part of the injury and keep pressing, and it will work again. Just keep pressing, press the under part. Let me keep this phone in place. I'm going to try the method that works best for it. Okay, so I just kept the phone in place. Let me try the best method. Hold the bottom part, keep pressing in and out. Put your hand at the back, press it back in, press out, and be constant, and it will fix it. I've been doing this a lot of time from this laptop, and it will be saving me a lot of time till I get the money to actually fix it. And look at it, it's clear, and it's clear for the meantime till it gets angry again and it will come back. Mind you, this is a screen issue, that's why it got fixed like this. If it's a software issue, all you have to do is update the drivers and it will work. But for some screens like this, it won't work. See, the screen is completely broken. The screen is completely broken. Whatever you press on this screen will not work. It is already, the ink has already poured. The only thing you have to do is just to change the screen. But assuming it's still showing different colors, try pressing every part of the laptop and I bet you it will work. Try this on your laptops and let me know your mind. Consider subscribing if the method works for you. Just press every part of the screen and I bet you it will work. Thank you for visiting this channel. Please like, share and subscribe.